Hi, welcome back. My name is Olivia. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to work with the Kanban board in TaskFord. Mastering it, you can easily visualize workflow and update task status. Now, let's get started.
First, open your TaskFord workspace and go to the board you want to manage. Switch to the Kanban view. This view displays your tasks as cards arranged in columns. Each column represents a task status. You can customize these columns to match your team's workflow in the board settings. Modify the status here to create your own workflow. Once you're back in Kanban view, you'll see the columns reflect your statuses. This helps you build a board that matches the way your team actually works. To add a task, simply click Add Task under the column where the task should start. As work moves forward, drag and drop task cards between columns to update their status. This makes it easy to see what's pending, what's in progress, and what's completed. You can also use Search, Filter, and Sort to quickly find tasks, narrow down what you see, and arrange your board in the way that works best for you. For even more organization, use the Group option to organize your Kanban board in different ways. For example, you can group tasks by assignee here. Create a swim lane by selecting a field like Priority, so you can break your board into horizontal sections. This gives you another layer of organization, while still keeping your workflow columns clear. Finally, you can save the current view with a name and even set it as the default if you want. So your preferred layout is ready every time you return to the board.
And that's it. With Kanban View and TaskFord, you can customize your workflow and track progress visually from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing in TaskFord.